Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a custom shape in Photoshop. Open a new document in Photoshop and select the pen tool from the toolbar. Click and drag to create a path and use the convert pen tool to adjust the shape as needed. To create a custom shape, go to the paths panel and click on the mark work path from the selections button. This will convert your path into a work path which can use to create a custom shape. To save your custom shape, go to the paths panel and click on the save path button. Give your custom shape a name and click OK. Your custom shape is now saved and